Good morning everyone. I am Kusum Upadhyay from Government Senior Secondary School, Ayali, Khurd. I am here to present a series of parts of speech so that my students can learn something from that. Dear students, these days English has become a very important mediator to across the world and in the country also. So it's very necessary for all of us to learn English. And I personally feel that to learn a subject, to learn a language, especially a language, to learn a language, it is very essential to speak in that language. If I want to learn English, it is liable for me to speak in English. So, dear students, if you want to learn English, it is very essential, very necessary, very important for you to speak in English. So, try to speak in English, try to learn new words, try to listen to English news so that you can learn English. So, better grammar is very important part of any language, and I'm going to take up that only. So let's start with parts of speech. So our topic is speech. Students, as you know that in English there are 8 parts of speech. Traditionally it was 8 parts of speech, but now it is 9 parts of speech. So before that I would like to discuss something about the word speech. Speech is, if we speak something, the one who is speaking is called speaker, and whatever he is speaking is speech. So whatever I am uttering, whatever words I am uttering, it's a speech. And parts of speech means we will categorize all these words into different parts. So we will categorize all the aspects of the words into different parts, and as I have told you earlier that there are 8 parts of speech, and these days the 9th part is also included. So which are those parts of speech? The noun, the pronoun, the adjective, the verb, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. And the 9th part is the articles or the determiners. Initially we were not including this, but these days whenever we discuss the parts of speech, we also discuss the articles and the determiners. So dear students, the various parts of speech are the noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, articles and determiners. So these are the 9 parts of speech. Tomorrow we will take up the very first part of speech, that is the noun. So this much for today. Thank you so much.